There are two types of fishing out your braiding extension attachment. One is the separating style and two is the join out style. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the both styles. So watch. So this is the braiding attachment we're going to use for the sake of this video. So I'm going to be using cut 2. I'm going to be cutting it into 2. So this is what I'm going to use to teach you guys. They say when you learn from the hardest, you're going to get the easy. If you can do this different fishing of attachment styles with cut 2 attachments, then you can do it with every other cut. You can do it with cut 3, cut 4 and others. So you have to learn with cut 2 first. So this is what I'm going to be using to teach you guys. So the first style I'll be teaching you is the separating style. Then after, the second style will be the join out style. So watch. So I will use the first part of the attachment to teach the first one, then the second part for the second one. So this is the first style, which is the separating style. Watch closely on what I am doing. I am just separating it, joining it back together, separating it, joining it back together. So when it gets tangled, you can brush it with your hairbrush. You can brush it so it will not be difficult for you to separate. I hope you understand. So that's what you'll be doing, separating it, join it together, separating it, join it together, till you get your desired, your tips are stretched out. So this is what you'll be doing to the end. So watch. So as you can see, I am done with separating it out. All the tips are all stretched out. So this will be all. So let's go to the second style, which is the join out style. So in this style, you're going to look for the tip of the attachment like this and be joining out one strand of the attachment. That's why it is called drawing it out, because you are drawing out the strand of the attachment, stretching the distance, the tip. So this is what you are going to be doing. So I'm done drawing out the attachment. So I flipped the attachment so the other part of the attachment will also stretch out. Then I started separating the attachment so as to remove every form of entanglement it got while I was drawing out the attachment from the tip. I hope you understand. So I can be able to brush it smoothly without any disturbance. After flipping the attachment, you can brush the attachment, but me, I like separating it to remove entanglement first, so as I will not get stressed out when I'm brushing it. I hope you understand. So you can also do it my way, or after drawing out the attachment, you can just brush it at once. Fine, and you get your desired results. It's 2 ways. So that's it. So this is me brushing the attachment because I am done separating it. Yeah. So this is the 2 attachments from the 2 styles. The one on my left is from the separating style and the one from my right is from the join out style. You can see it's the same thing. So you can use both styles when fishing out attachments. Anyone that is easy for you is good. So I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever I post a new video.